doing a video for Jensen Jones, wanting me to drive ahead, and I gave him what he wanted because he put it down in the comments and liked and commented. Easy as that. It has to be a mobile game though, okay? Deal. So the deal today is, before we even start the drive ahead series, we need to pick out the cars. So I'm gonna let you all vote on 3 cars. 3 cars. But you have to be 1, 2, 3 for the first, second, and third, okay? So we're gonna go through my whole stock. My whole stock. No one gets to go back here except me. And I guess you guys now. We'll go through. If I'm going too fast, please pause the video. And if you need to look over again, please pull it back. But share and subscribe and like. It ends at go-kart. So everything from go-kart and above, choices. Now that's a lot of choices. You might want to choose wisely or talk with other people to vote with. But I was thinking about buying a new car for my collection, and I was gonna let my viewers vote on it. Now, I have 2,300 phantom screws or bolts. Now, anything below, I will choose. Vote for it, put hashtag phantom bolts, and then choose which one you want. Bad holder, not bad. That's one choice. Ghost ship, not a bad choice either. Kraken bait, not bad at all. If I had to be honest, Mindlander is one of my favorites. And the Harpoon is one of my favorites. Now, there should be one more that's in the list. And it's Abyssal. Now, just to make sure, so we could have fair competition, let's see, check one more time if there's any others. 2 more left. Doom Bomber, great choice for exploding yourself if you were into that stuff. then Specimen X. A weird combination of fast and weirdness at the same time. Now, those are all the choices to add to my collection, and maybe we should do the vote after we buy this or the vote before, but I'm thinking before, because I will test this one you buy, will tell me to buy. Either way, this is the end of the video, and I'm doing a shout out to Jensen Jones for giving me this best comment for Drive Ahead. I rate it 5 out of 5, and if you want me to play a game you want, tell me in the comments. I will play it, and it will be smooth as I can put it. I swear, this may be my first commentary video, but I am doing it as good as I can. With the help of you commentary, we'll be doing great. We're almost to about, we're at 8 subscribers right now. If we can get to 12 and keep pushing and pushing together, will be great. Well, that's the end of the video. Shout out to Jensen Jones again, and hope we're all big happy community. Peace out, Thorcast Laser.